Welcome to another Walter Mitty Productions brought to you by What's the Crack Media. Bow down to me, pussy. Anyways, I think that's more of a hello, how are you rather than a bow down. But strangely enough, that was a weird gravestone I seen like literally 5 minutes
Well,
after
horse,
that. And this
how are you
is a
getting
beautiful
on?
horse.
Is there anything to say for the people about the old town of Millstreet? Anything at all? Nay? Come on. Anything? Alright. Don't exploit you for just Snapchat views, huh? Nay.
He's basically having none of it.
Sit.
May need some off-camera motivation, but we don't know it just yet. Until now.
Come on. Let's go. That's it, bro. Do some horsey stuff. Come on. Come on. You're looking happy, you're warming up and everything, boy. Where you going? Right there. Come on over here, boy. We say hello. Yeah. Well, what's the crack? Don't be scared. Huh? What you want?
I think he obviously wanted to catch me from all angles,
Don't be camera shy.
Does my arse look big with this cool tail all the way down to me ankles, boy? Check it out, huh? Ooh, ah.
Huh. Jump around the place then, like a good horse should. Get a bit of heat into your bones, like. What we got? Do something horsey. What? It's just a camera, boy. Don't be nervous, like. Come on. Get a thumbs up if you do something. Get another thumbs up if you do something else. And get a third thumbs up if you do it again. Jump. Hop. More passion. More footwork. Come on, horse. Well. Right here, I was showing him me on the phone. Whoa.
Do you think he got freaked out?
Hold on. Look at that. What do you think about that? Who's that? Does a horse recognize its own self?
He's proper mesmerised with himself in this bit. Actually, I don't know if it's a he or she. But anyways, look at him checking his own self out. Ooh, ah, look at that. Ooh, ah. Stunned by the horse staring back at him. Let me have a sniff for you, kid. Who knew, huh? Birds eat trees. Or birds eat trees. Horses eat trees. Yeah, bye. Jesus Christ. Alright, boy. Fucking hell. He fucking vigorously went for that tree. I don't know, was it the buds or the branches or just to tune it up to punch his teeth up, but he
Goodbye, horse. It's been A learning experience. I know. I'm gonna miss you. Say nay. Alright.
Here we have a bunny rabbit. What's happening, bunny rabbit? Hey, don't make me beep the horn at you, boy. Come here. No, don't run away. I said come here. Promise I won't eat you. I promise. Come back. I had a very nature-themed day today, actually. Rabbits and cats and birds and
Over for
horses
more
and
yogurts
all sorts of
and
everything.
nature
Great crack,
stuff
I
and
tell
bunny
you.
rabbits and whatnot.
I tell you, the places I go to bring the news to you, the viewers, around the corner and around the world. Look at this, it's like a fucking roller coaster. No bother for scooter tourism. Ooh, look at that. Shining a light on paths less taken. PJ Kern and What's the Crack Duck Media. Follow for more yogurts. Have a wonderful evening and a beautiful time and the rest of your life. Follow for more yogurts. What's the Crack Media.